boys and girls. We have a story today called Jonathan and His Mommy. So that is our title, Jonathan and His Mommy. The author is Irene Smalls, so she wrote this story. The illustrator is Michael Hayes. Jonathan and His Mommy. There's our title page. I like to go walking and talking with my mom. Like is one of our sight words, so is go. First, we zigzag walk down the street. It looks strange to the people we meet. Then we take big giant steps, and talk in loud giant voices. And we say big things the way giants must talk. I say, did you see that humongous mammoth among us? After that, we take itsy bitsy baby steps, and talk in tiny baby voices about baby things, itsy bitsy spiders, tiny dreams, and small marshmallows. Next, we take bunny steps. Hop, 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 hop. Hip hop too sometimes. As we wriggle our noses and wiggle our ears. We look so funny that we end up in tears. Tears that dry with the wind as we take fast running steps, running our race. You're the winner, I'm the misser, I see on my mom's face. Sometimes she can't keep up with my fast pace. That means he is able to run faster than his mom. So I slow it down, and we do slow motion steps. Slow motion steps. As we talk about molasses and birthdays and how long they take. And just before we're about to fall asleep, we take a leap onto our toes and do ballet steps. Arms in the air twirling round and round till our feet touch the ground. Then we do crazy crisscross steps, mommy steps and I steps, and our legs cross. Mommy steps and I step, and our legs crazy cross. The one who makes the last step is the boss of the crisscross. After crossing a fast and our last crisscross, we move on to reggae steps. Hips swaying, feet step sliding side to side, bodies moving to the beat of our hearts. Now they're dancing. Then we take backward steps, and go to all the places we've been. Which is good, because by that time, we're tired. And we take Jonathan and Mommy steps, and walk our way home. All right, boys and girls, so this week in our 2 reading books, we're talking about different ways people might move. Take you all the way back to the beginning. So this book, Jonathan and his mommy are going out for a walk, and they talked about all the different ways you can walk. Because we can just walk regular, walking straight ahead, our regular pace, or you can zigzag, or you can take giant steps, itsy bitsy steps, bunny steps. You can run. You can go in slow motion. You could dance. You could walk crisscross. You can dance in a different way. You can walk backwards. There are all different ways to move and to get your body moving. So today our story was about how Jonathan and his mommy move. Tomorrow we're going to be reading a book about how some animals move. So this story was called Jonathan and his mommy.